We got a big bear minding his business, just trying to sneak onto the bus. Buddy better have his bus token. This jolly life for all. We have some good videos today. We got some funny pets. This is all I wanted for Christmas. Just a little miniature me.
Look at this distinguished gentleman.
What a proud kitty.
Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
What a proper cat.
Watch her when don't put your hand in my mouth. Watch her when
This dog wants the bubbles.
Bubbles up.
Look at the focus. Ready? Oh! And this is why you never do cat grass, ladies and gentlemen. Say no to drugs.
He doesn't know that I'm talking to him, and next I start talking back to
She speaks dog.
Then he knows that I'm talking to.
Oh my gosh, hi puppy.
Just a happy
You're
husky.
So cute. Come here. Can you speak?
This is the Fat Can Olympics. Jumping toilet paper. Quite athletic for a thick cat. Not a piece of toilet paper was wasted. Don't run. You gotta stand up and face it. Always stand up to the cheetah. We got a talking cat who farts. The disappointment. No.
Are we about to kiss right now?
Bow chicka wow wow. Oh. It's a pup with a pup.
They say
When you know, you
the
know.
love of your life, time stops.
Look at that. Look at those two. In love. Harmony.
Passion, love is passion.
Passion.
Obsession. Obsession. Someone you can't live without.
Beauty.
I say, fall head over heels. Find someone you can love like crazy and love you the same way back. How'd you find him? Well, how'd you find him?
Oh my gosh. It's an emotional cat. And here we got a dangerous cat. Risking one of its 9 lives. It's the beatbox and gerbil. Beats by hamster.
Hey yo, Cooter. When I say Hillshire, you say Hillshire.
Talking cat, ladies and gentlemen. What a combo. Oh, we got a German Shepherd here who thinks it's a mom. Look at this, adopting a kitten. And that's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen.
You want to eat?
The life of the hungry cat.
Fine. You just ate.
Sometimes you want 1 puppy. Sometimes you want 10 puppies. Get the 10 puppies. It's worth it. Alright, this cat's a main character. Great Gatsby. Harry Potter. Twilight. Oh yeah.
Hi, you squeaky little boy. What are you doing?
Oh.
Yeah.
This is how all great friendships begin. Someone crying. Someone picking someone up. Beautiful. Don't try this at home. Just a cat and its belly rubs, some classical piano. Nothing more wholesome. We got a gentleman and a deer.
Bro.
Is he dreaming? No one knows.
Hi. 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 Oh my gosh.
Spider kitty, climbing all up the wall. Spider kitty, can he do it? This is just wholesome. Wholesome content brought to you by JLFA, Jolly Life for All videos. Be sure to comment, tell everyone, tell your friends, tell your grandma. Maybe tell your grandpa too. Don't leave him out. Oh, that's a talented dog. The squirrel's just nuts. Oh my gosh. That's the kind of wholesome content we need.
There he is. Check him out. He's on the counter.
I don't know about this whole cheetah thing.
How the did you get a cheetah in the house? What is wrong with you? Back up. Slowly.
Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Oh! Dogs hate vacuums. Oh, dangerous. You gotta be careful around cats.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a...
We got a crazy dog.
Okay, so we were just chilling in the pool, and now
That's how you find a good dog.
this is happening. What do you want?
He wants to hang out. He wants to be a part of the pool party. Don't. Just a cat and its favorite carpet. Nothing better. It's the simple things in life, ladies and gentlemen. It's that bald cat. Ball and cat. I think that's a chow. Oh my gosh.
You are witnessing something seldom caught on camera. A baby panther hunting for the...
Boom dum.
The youngster surveys his surroundings, watchful for any older, stronger cubs that could interfere
Boom
with his
dum.
Confident that he is alone, the cub executes a barrel roll,
Barrel roll.
demonstrating remarkable strength and tactical ability for one
Dun-dun.
young. Little does this brave cub know the unthinkable is
Dun-dun.
about to happen. In an unprecedented turn of events, the panther allows his prey to escape.
Under the couch.
Thinking quickly, he manages to recapture it. The panther is
Dun-dun.
relieved. Food is scarce this time of year. Another mistake like that could prove fatal. But then it happens a second time, and the cub begins to panic. Desperation takes hold of him as he dives for his prey. He is young and strong, but will...
Dun-dun. Happy birthday! Sometimes dad just comes home with a cat. Gotta take advantage of the opportunities in front of you. This lady kind of looks like her cat. A little kitty and some broccoli. I feel the same way. That's a jumping goat. What he actually looks like? It's the Cat Olympics. Look at that form. I give it a 10.
Love each other.
This man loves cats. Oh! You can never force a cat friendship. Fun fact. Cats have weird tongues. You ever notice that? It's like sandpaper. Aggressive.
I love you.
And here we go. Ready to go, buddy? Stretch.
That's a big cat stretch.
Oh my god.
Who wants a treat?
Pavlov's dog.
Wait. Very good. One ring?
One ring, one treat. Oh, that's torture.
Sir. Sir. Oh my goodness.
That's torture. This poor dog wants a treat.
Sir.
Give the dog a treat.
You got a problem.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Oh, look at those eyes. Got a raccoon on the loose. A wild raccoon in the rain gutter. Skadoodle. Oh!
Hey, man. Don't bite my knee.
Wow.
Alright, we got our ready whip.
Nothing better than dogs and whipped cream. Let me tell you something.
Does not like to be shot at. Sit.
Look at the eyes. He oh! He loves whipped cream.
How many times did I say don't flood the house? Oh my god! Hey, Cookie, no! No, Cookie, you're gonna drown!
I don't know what's going on here.
No! Come here! No! Stop!
It's like a farm and a house. You got ducks, you got roosters. Nothing better than a monkey in a sink. Very cute. Just washing the face. That's a Savannah cat. Beautiful type of cat. Very aggressive. They love climbing. Don't worry, he's okay. What is that? Little pig?
It's time for some milky.
I don't think there's the true thing as a miniature pig. I think it's just a baby. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time.